Spectrum Wi-Fi pods enhance your home network's range by creating a mesh network that eliminates dead zones. However, sometimes these pods need to be reset to restore optimal performance. The simplest method is a manual reset. This is perfect for minor connectivity issues when your pod seems unresponsive or slow. First, unplug the pod from the power outlet. Wait exactly 30 seconds to ensure all power is drained from the device. Then plug it back in and wait 2 minutes for the LED indicator to stop blinking and stabilize. This allows the pod to fully reconnect to your network. The second method uses the My Spectrum app for a software-based restart. This is ideal when your pod is connected but experiencing performance issues. Open the My Spectrum app and navigate to the Services and Equipment tab. Here you can see all your connected devices. Select your device in the Internet category, then choose Restart Equipment, followed by Restart Pod. The app will send a restart command to your specific pod. When your entire network is down, including your main router and modem, you need a complete network reset. This restarts everything in the proper sequence. First, unplug both your modem and router from power. Wait 30 seconds, then plug them back in. The pods will automatically reconnect once the main network is restored. Remember this important limitation. Spectrum Wi-Fi pods do not have a factory reset button. They are permanently linked to your Spectrum account during initial setup. If you change your Wi-Fi password or need to reclaim pods, you must contact Spectrum customer support for assistance. When your Spectrum Wi-Fi pods aren't working correctly after a reset, systematic troubleshooting can help identify and resolve the issue. Let's start with the most common problems and their solutions. Understanding the LED status indicators on your Wi-Fi pods is crucial for diagnosing connection issues. Each light pattern tells you exactly what's happening with your pod. Proper placement is essential for optimal performance. The positioning of your router and pods directly affects signal strength and coverage throughout your home. Each Spectrum Wi-Fi pod is designed to handle multiple devices efficiently while providing substantial coverage. Understanding these specifications helps you plan your network layout effectively. If you've tried these troubleshooting steps and your pods still aren't working properly, it may be time to contact Spectrum customer support. They can help with critical errors, password changes, and pod reclaiming issues.